Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I decorated the end of a cutting board in a beach scene using resin. Do you want to know? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so today I'm going to be showing you part of the beach resin project that I am doing. I did let you guys know that I would be doing a beach scene project. There's going to be 3 different videos for this. One of them is this one for the cutting board. One of them is going to be for the large wall art that I made, and one of them will be for the coasters and the little tray set. So 3 different videos for each particular item pretty much. So again, in this video, I will just be showing you how I decorated the end of a cutting board. You can do this same technique with pretty much anything. This was my first time ever trying the whole beach scene, and I definitely did not achieve what I was trying for, but I am actually pleased with how it came out for my first attempt. So if you like to see the process and how I made it, here you go. So this is the resin that I bought to do this beach project. Make sure you do check the bottle, whatever resin you choose to use. Also make sure you are in a well-ventilated area and have proper respiratory protection whenever working with resin. Your health is extremely important, and that should be the #1 priority, especially when working with chemicals. This is a 1-to-1 ratio, so I'm going to be putting, for example, 2 ounces of part A with 2 ounces of part B, and then mixing them together slow and steady for several minutes until it is crystal clear. Slow and steady wins the race, I always say. Make sure when you are mixing, you are scraping all sides, bottom, top. Make sure you mix all of it 100% thoroughly together. Also, make sure you do see what temperatures to work with resin. If, for example, mine says 75 to 80 degrees, if you're too hot or too cold, your resin will not set right and you will not get the right achievement that you're looking for. So make sure you do follow all rules and you do it in the right degree as well. So now I'm going to take that clear resin and I'm going to divide it in between the 3 cups so I can start mixing the color. So I'm going to start out by putting the darker color towards the back, more of like the deeper part of the ocean, and I will go to the lighter colors towards the very front. I'm also paying close attention to my sides. I do want the resin to go down my sides, just not on the bottom of it. Then I'm taking the heat gun and popping the bubbles. The teal was a little too clear for me, so I went ahead and added white to it to make it this color here. I just feel like it was too translucent the way that it was, so adding white makes it look a lot better. And yes, it did run right off. I definitely used more than I should have. I learned less is very, yeah, see, I used way too much, but I was able to clean it and it didn't leave a mess. The color looked a little too thin right here, so I wanted to add a little bit more that had more white in it so it wasn't so clear. And now I will let that sit for 24 hours to dry. Now here we are 24 hours later. I'm mixing clear resin to go over the top, and then I'm going to be putting a little bit of white to try to get a wave. Using my heat gun first, I'm trying to move it around to make it look more like a wave, and then I will go through with my blowtorch to try to get some cells in lacing. This is how it dried on the bottom, so I just took sandpaper and I just sanded it all off, and you can barely even tell. And there is the finished product. Again, not what I was trying to achieve. I didn't get the cells or the lacing effect, but I do believe it looks like an ocean, and I'm pleased with my very first attempt. Okay, you guys, so that is the final product on how it came out. I'm pleased with how it came out, but it's not exactly what I wanted. But for my first time, I'm at least proud of myself on how it did come out. And yeah, so if you want to see the wall art and then the coasters and the tray set, which that one did not come out at all, to me anyway, I'm still going to show you because I definitely don't know what I am doing, but I'm taking you along with me during the process. So the good, the bad, you will see it all. So the tray set is not really a good one. Don't follow my example on that one. Just saying. But again, there will be 3 complete total videos with this whole beach scene. And yeah, so you guys comment down below and let me know, what do you think of how I did this cutting board? I thought it was a really great idea, and I'm so pleased on how the back ended up turning out. I thought for sure I was gonna have like tons of scratches from sanding it off because of the overage that I didn't clean off. I'm very, very pleased with how the end result came out. And there's that. So you guys comment down below and let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until the next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.